All right. I'm going to spend a few minutes here taking a look at graphing linear equations. As you can see, I have a question from topic 1 review, and this will go throughout the class. You're going to have lots of different assignments throughout the class talking about graphing. All right, so what I'm going to do is show you how to make use of some resources, okay? So in order to graph a linear equation, we need to have 2 points minimum, or we need to know the slope and the intercept, which the intercept is a point. The slope leads me to the second point. All right, so that's what I need to know. In order to graph this, I need to know a point and the slope. One way I can do this is take a look at this equation right here and see that if x is 0, y is 4. In other words, if this is gone, if this is 0, let me erase this a little bit, make this a little better here. All right. If that's gone, if that's x'd out, if it's 0, if x is 0, y is 4. All right. So I have a point right there. All right. Then I would need to find a second point. This tells me the slope is -4. All right. In order to find a slope of -4, I need to go and treat this as -4 over 1. So I would go down 4, which is back to 0, then over 1. My second point would be right here. All right. At that point in time, I could draw me a line, right, through those 2 points. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to verify that this is correct, okay? I want to verify that this is correct. In order for me to do that, I'm going to use my Desmos graphing tool. This is online. You can see the URL right there. So I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to type the equation f of x equals -4x plus 4. So typing f of x equals -4x plus 4. Oh, 4, not 3. There we go. All right, there you guys can see my graph. And there you can see the points. You see the points match up exactly. There's my point 0, 4. There's my point 0, 4. On Desmos, you can see my point jumping up. You guys see that? The point 1, 0. Here I have the point 1, 0. All right, so I have verified that my graph is correct. Yes, I know you can just check the complete or like that, but you can't here on the quiz. So I'm giving you a way to verify your work. All right. Secondly, you may want to make yourself a table in Desmos to see some points. So if you want to make a table to see some points, just click on the toolbar here. You see the edit list. I click on the edit list. I click on table. And now I have a table to see all the, well, not all, but several points, right, that would go along my graph. And you guys can actually see them plotted on my graph here. I can change this color. I can change the color. I'll make it easier to see by clicking on the color, make it red. There we go. All right, now you guys can see the points plotted on this graph. So I have several points. I've verified my work. You can use this for graphing any equation you want to throughout the course or helping you verify your work. All right, notice also, everybody, that I typed in right here. Let's clear this out. Right here, my equation was y equals, and over here I typed in f of x equals, right? That's okay, that's perfectly fine. We know that y equals f of x. In other words, y is a function of x. So y equals f of x. All right, so they're interchangeable. That's why I did that. When I do that in Desmos, it gives me the option to click on the wheel, the gear, which is the settings, and enables me to choose a table that I can then use to help me plot points as necessary. All right, have some fun, guys. I'll see you